All right, the first thing you got to do is go to Google Docs and create a new document. Name your title something bold, something perfect. Then you just kind of want to create your outline. Man, this is really easy. You just kind of make a list of events. Just start with a chapter title and like a catchy subtitle, and then just make a list of events, just actions that take place in that chapter, for example. And as you write, it actually gets easier and easier to do this because you get lost in the story, and it starts to become fun because this is supposed to be the creative aspect of it. It no longer seems like just a blank page with no words on it, because you can always go back and change it later. So once you have an order, you're just going to want to format it, and this is really important for ebooks and all this stuff. So just change from normal text to title for your title. It's that easy. You just highlight it or click on that line, and that's all you have to do. Change your chapters to heading 1. And then change your chapter subtitles to heading 2. Now, if you notice in the corner here, we have the outline. It's really important to have this outline. This is why we're formatting it, so it appears in the outline. This will also format it for ebooks as well as other publications. If you don't see your outline, just go to the View tab and click Show Document Outline. It's really that simple, and it's also just a great navigational tool, because if you click on anything while in the outline, it will actually scroll to that point in the document. So it's really nice when you have a bunch of different pages of text, because some people will even put a page break after each chapter, and you just do that by going to insert, page break. It becomes way easier to navigate when you have this outline. If you want to change any of your fonts though, any of your styles, you have to do that in this format settings. All right, let's do it again. So I'm just going to type up pretty much everything I just told you what to do, and I'm going to show you how I did it, and you can kind of see the process of how I go through this method. This is also available in the link below, so you can also see how it responds to different types of programs. Try copying it and pasting it into something else, and you'll notice it still keeps the formatting. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep writing, stay positive, it won't be long.